Welcome back. Newly appointed Vice Chancellor of Goa University, Dr. Satish Shetye says the condition of 75% mandatory attendance to answer university exams is a High Court's directive. However, the issue can be examined. National Institute of Oceanography Director Satish Shetye will take over as the new Vice Chancellor of Goa University. The order has been issued by Chancellor and Goa Governor B.V. Vanchu. He has been asked to take charge with immediate effect.
I don't know right now what are the exact details about it. We will need to strike a balance between what the courts have said, what the actual needs of education are, and what the actual practices that students follow. And I'm sure we can find a solution to this problem. One must understand why is it that the courts said what they did. And I think that is where this 75% came. The UGC subsequently would have accepted it.
When questioned on the controversial increase in the seats of English department to facilitate heavyweight politician's daughter, Shetye said this issue has been sorted out, but if there are any concerns in this regards, the issue will be addressed once again.
When we talk about prestige of the university and all, no, so then we have to address such kind of issues now.
You have, but then somebody has to define that issue properly. Right. Then any organization will address it. So from that point of view, it is my understanding that some issues were raised, but the registrar went out of his way to clarify about to make the university's position clear about those issues. And that has already happened. In spite of that, if you feel that there are some issues which have not been addressed, I think you should point that out to the university, and I assure you that they will be addressed.
Satish Shetye, who replaces Dilip Devbagkar, is one of the two selected for the Distinguished Alumni Award of Indian Institute of Technology, Bombay for the year 2006. He was appointed as the Director of National Institute of Oceanography in March 2004. A reporter from Panaji, Mahesh Ghadi, with video journalist Sushant Paul.
The Ministry of External Affairs has announced completion of the Passport Seva Kendra project in 37 passport offices all over India. The Chief Passport Officer has asked DGP of Goa to speed up the process of police clearance for passports. The system aims at raising security measures to international standards and reduce efforts of applicants.
The Chief Passport Officer Mukesh Kumar Pardeshi informed that after introduction of the online passport application system, the Chief Passport Office has received 35,000 plus applications. Kumar informed that the police department here in Goa is working on reducing the delay in the police clearance certificates.
In 2 years, we made swift progress, and I am very happy to share with you that we have completed the project. You know, we have in country 37 passport offices, but these 37 passport offices cannot cater to growing demand of passport. Last year, we issued 7.3 million passports. Now, every year, a 10 to 15% growth we are witnessing. With the same number of passport offices, with the same staff size, we cannot render passport services in a very efficient manner. That's why the idea of private partnership came into. In Goa, the Passport Seva Kendra is co-located. Since we own this building, the ground and first floor has been cleared and it has been given to Tata Consultancy Services to set up and fit in infrastructure and other things. I was here, I had a meeting with the Director General of Police also. They are also working on how to improve on police verification with introduction of IT and well, the manpower issues are there for all government departments.
The Chief Passport Officer is also holding Passport Adalat in Goa to dispose of long pending passport applications. A reporter from Panaji, Pratik Parab, with video journalist Onkar Falari.
Team Anna on Friday announced that they will form a political party to fight against corruption. Arvind Kejriwal has asked the public to suggest a name for their political outfit. Team Anna broke indefinite fast on 10th day at Jantar Mantar, New Delhi. Team Anna said new outfit will be unique and pro-people. Meanwhile, supporters are divided over Team Anna's move to join active politics.
करें कि अन्ना अपना अनशन छोड़े और नए राष्ट्र निर्माण की तरफ चलें।
तो साथियों, हमारे राजनीति में जाने का एक ही मकसद है। ये राजनीतिक विकल्प ऐसा होगा जो दिल्ली के सत्ता के केंद्र को ध्वस्त करके इस सारी की सारी सत्ता को इस देश के हर गांव, हर शहर और हर नागरिक तक पहुंचाएगा। हमें भारत को सही मायनों में धर्मनिरपेक्ष बनाना पड़ेगा। आज हर पार्टी सेक्युलरिज्म की बात करती है, धर्मनिरपेक्षता की बात करती है, लेकिन इन्हीं पार्टियों ने हिंदुओं और मुसलमानों को लड़ाया है।
गोपाल राय जी से जनरल साहब निवेदन कर रहे हैं कि वो नारियल पानी लेकर, और भाई मनीष सिसोदिया, जोरदार तालियों के साथ आप अनुरोध करिएगा मनीष भाई से, हमारे सारे अनशनकारियों से भी जनरल साहब।
ब्यूरो रिपोर्ट, Prudent Media.
PWD Minister Sudhin Davlikar has assured the House that all the pending payments to the contractors will be cleared by September end and mostly before Savat. Madgaon MLA Digambar Kamath had raised the issue of non-payment of bills to the contractors amounting to 250 crores.
म्हाका एकच रिक्वेस्ट कितें आसा फर्दर थंय लक्षात येता की देर आर लॉट्स ऑफ बिल्स ऑफ स्मॉल कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर्स पेंडिंग, नॉन प्लॅन वर्क्स पळय आसा तातूंत भितर बारीक कॉन्ट्रॅक्टरांची खूब जाणांची पेंडिंग आसा. ओनली रिक्वेस्ट इज वायल मेकिंग द पेमेंट वेदर यू कॅन हॅव ए प्रॉपर पॉलिसी. म्हणजे कशें आसा, कोणाचें समज एक 2 लाखांचें बिल आसा, ताका टोटल 2 लाख दिवपाचे, सो दॅट तो बारीक मनी आसा तो ही विल सर्वाइव, बिकॉज ही सर्वाइव ओनली ऑन द स्मॉल अमाउंट.
ज्या गोष्टी ताणें सांगला की बारीक सारीक, आमी बारीक सारीक न्हय, आमी एक डिसिजन घेतला, कारण आमचे कडेन फंड्स तेन्ना नासतना हांवें आतां जस्ट आय हॅव गॉन थ्रू इट. जानेवारींतल्या कामाक तुमी एक प्रश्न विचारला तुमच्या हांगचे की 2 MLD प्लांट जो आसा तो कित्याक डिले जाला काय म्हणून. जानेवारींत तागेलें बिल सबमीट जाल्लें, आजून ताका पेमेंट ना. सो आय हॅव टेकन प्रत्येक डिव्हिजनांतलो प्रत्येक आयटम हांवें लक्षांत हाडला. कोणाले 50,000 आसा ताका क्लियर करपाचो, कोणाले 2 लाख आसा ताका क्लियर करपाचे, जर कोणाचे 5 कोटी आसा ताका 75%, 50% दिवपाचे, तांकां क्लियर करपाचे. अशें करून येता ते सप्टेंबर पर्यंत आमी हें दवरला की जे पेंडींग बिल्स आसा, ऑनगोईंग वर्क्स जाता ती गोष्ट वेगळी, पूण पेंडींग जी बिल्स आसा ती येता ते सप्टेंबर पर्यंत 189 crores आनी ताचे वयर कितें आसा, आनी थोडी वॉटर सप्लायाची आसा. सो अरावंड इट वील बी 250 मॅक्झिमम. ती आमी सप्टेंबर पर्यंत टार्गेट दवरला ती क्लियर करपाची.
एटलीस्ट बिफोर द गणेश चतुर्थी. गणेश चतुर्थी इन द मंथ ऑफ September. Whether you will be able to clear them before the Ganesh Chaturthi.
Maximum payment will be done before Ganesh Chaturthi.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.